Are you a quick and accurate typer? Do you want the freedom of working from home while performing simple typing tasks? If so, data entry may be the ideal work from home opportunity for you. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. What exactly is a data entry? Data entry has existed since the invention of typewriters, and while we now use computers and laptops, the basic concept remains the same. In short, you must enter a recorded or hard copy of a transcript into a computer database. Data entry methods vary by company, but can include anything from scanning documents to listening to audio clips and transcribing information to simply inputting survey responses. What qualifications are needed for at-home data entry jobs? While no degree or specific skill set is required to begin a data entry job, you will generally need a high school diploma or GED. In addition, you will need the following soft skills and program knowledge in the next few minutes. One of the few skills required for a data entry job is computer proficiency. While the specifics of the computer skills required will vary depending on the position, the following are some of the fundamentals to be aware of as you research and apply for data entry jobs. The following step is typing. How much money you make depends on your ability to type accurately and quickly. In general, the faster you type, the more money you will make from home typing. Most data entry positions, according to aptitude tests, require you to type at least 45 words per minute or WPM. If you're not sure how fast you type, you can test it for free online using one of these sites, Typing Tests or Key Hero. Knowing how to organize data in spreadsheets is a basic skill set required in the data entry industry. If you don't have a lot of experience in this area, you can practice data entry on your own using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, two of the most popular programs used by businesses to gain some experience and confidence. Many businesses rely on Google services ranging from Google Drive and Docs to Slides and Sheets. If you are unfamiliar with Google products, create a professional account and start exploring. You will almost certainly be asked to type something into a Word document at some point during your data entry career. Getting a basic understanding of some of Word's features is a great way to add another bullet point of experience to your resume. From organizing email communications, electronic files, and folders, to meeting deadlines and completing projects for multiple clients, organizational skills are required for work-at-home success as a data entry specialist. As you work from home, your ability to organize will be critical to your overall success. Understanding the importance of clear, timely communication is a critical component of establishing yourself as a dedicated professional data entry specialist. Let's go over some of the different ways your employer might communicate with you on a daily basis. It is critical that you become acquainted with these communication methods in order to maintain your professionalism and dependability with your employer. As you participate in more work-from-home opportunities, you will need to become more familiar with email communication. When potential employers contact you, having an email address associated with your website or business name establishes trust and authority. In the last year, video conferencing services such as Google Meet and Zoom have grown in popularity. Sign up for a free account on one of these platforms and hold a meeting or two with family and friends to become more acquainted with them. Companies around the world are increasingly using live chat via Facebook Messenger or other platforms such as Slack, Telegram, or Voxer. These instant messaging systems are frequently useful when immediate communication about project is required. Now that you know what you'll need to succeed, let's look at data entry jobs you can do from home. Capital Typing provides data entry services to businesses as well as remote full-time and part-time data entry positions for independent contractors. The majority of jobs available through Capital Typing are transcription jobs. But there are also content writing positions available on occasion. Positions change, so save this website to come back to if you don't find what you're looking for. Flex Jobs is an online job board where I began my career as work-from-home mom. This website has many legitimate job opportunities in data entry and every other area imaginable of working from home. The cool thing about Flex Jobs is that every job listing is hand-screened for legitimacy, so you never have to worry about data entry scams. Xerox has a virtual office program with over 8,000 employees who work from home. They hire for a wide range of positions, including data entry and verification clerks. For these positions, you should go to their website and submit your resume, and they will notify you of any available positions. Kendall Creek is a company based in the United States that hires independent contractors for data entry and research positions for larger corporations. As a Kendall Creek independent contractor, you will enter data for legal transcription, social security files, veterans affairs, immigrations, and legal clients. The client determines the pay rate, but it is typically $1.25 to $2 per double-spaced page. Not much money. Before you begin, you can accept or decline jobs. You can earn money by completing short tasks on micro workers. These are typically entry-level tasks that do not necessitate prior experience. If you're just getting started in data entry, micro workers is a great place to start. Staffing and temp agencies are underutilized sources for legitimate data entry work. The benefit of using a staffing agency is that you can find the flexible work schedules, such as part-time hours, temporary work, per diem, and of course, remote work roles. One thing to keep in mind about these jobs is that you will frequently be doing more than just data entry. You may also be providing customer service, answering phones, verifying signatures, and working on other clerical duties. Another advantage of working with a staffing agency is that these jobs typically pay more, at least minimum wage, often more than the freelance gigs we mentioned earlier. Check out the following staffing agencies. Kelly Services is a staffing agency that has jobs for both U.S. citizens and international residents. To begin your data entry job search, enter the role you are looking for and leave the location field blank. On the next screen, you can limit your search to only work-from-home opportunities. Robert Half is a talent agency that specializes in administrative, finance, legal marketing, and technology jobs in the United States. You can narrow your search on their website by location, including remote work, specialization, and job type. Unfortunately, there are work-from-home job scams, and data entry is another place where scammers like to hide. Data entry is a popular target because it is often simple to impersonate and create phony job opportunities. They will frequently steal copy from an actual job posting and replicate every detail. As a result, you'll need to thoroughly vet each job to avoid scams. Work-from-home scams have personally burned me. I lost nearly $1,500 as a stay-at-home mom with no income at the time, and recouping the money was impossible. These scammers hide behind phony email accounts, phone numbers, Skype IDs, and Facebook accounts. So, how can you tell the real companies from the imposters? We researched the data entry jobs in this video, but you must do your own research about it. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.